Hello everyone, welcome to ProbabaFx Academy, and this is our third short course in our crypto series. In our last course, we talked about the concept of blockchain technology and what makes the technology so special. In today's course, we'll be talking briefly about the use cases of blockchain. We've come to understand that yes, indeed, blockchain has a vital role to play in our day-to-day lives, and we can see this in different aspects when it comes to governance, when it comes to healthcare services, when it comes to remittances, and so many much more. These are the ways in which we can utilize the blockchain and get the full potentials of the blockchain technology. Do you want to know more about how you can utilize the blockchain technology? You want to know more about the use cases? Click the link in our bio to get started with our full course. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it.